The question where you asked him.
So सुनील मैं यही पूछ रहा था मिस्टर पाल चौधरी को कि मतलब you have done this program in many other places before this.
Similar program.
In similar programs. So what difference do you see, in terms of the training process or in terms of the learning process for the trainees? So what is the essential difference that you see?
See, different companies have different needs, and the selling process is a selling process. The advantage which I have here, unlike in most companies, what happens is the seller is just an order taker. So he is not accustomed to going in and he's just accustomed to asking for the order and moving to the next store. He was like a order picker. And so there we have to teach them how to do merchandising, how to go into the store, then do replenishment, first do merchandising and then do replenishment. So that was the task there. But here the biggest advantage is these guys are already used to merchandising. They already do merchandising, they go in, so we don't have to teach them that. And if they can do that, replenishment and range is just an add-on and little bit incremental work which they have to do. So they have to just tune their working and some change in their mindsets. Otherwise, the biggest task which I have in the other companies is to get them to see and do merchandising. And I can tell you with many companies where I have initiated this process of merchandising. See, that's because I have learned in PNG, which is a strong merchandising company. If you go to any store, you will find PNG hitting you in a retail store or a medical store. Because that's the way PNG believes that merchandising is the only way of sellout. And if Coke people are already doing merchandising because these MDs are like they were doing merchandising part of this step, then it will become easy for us to train them. So they will really do well because they already do merchandising well. So then checking the stock and all becomes, it's just a matter of academics. So once they learn it, and they'll be able to do it, add range and all that.
So are you happy with the learning process here so far?
You have seen that Srideep today, just one person we have worked with, and before 4 to 5 calls which we have done, he not only does now full replenishment, he does sell out, he does range selling, and he's building relation with the retailer. And within 5 calls, I'm not even talking of. So because here the biggest easiest part was the merchandising part which was already doing, which I don't have to, extra efforts to train him on that.
Thanks.
Yeah.